The Bu Tinah Islands, one of the most beautiful places on Earth, a tropical paradise and wildlife sanctuary, unknown to most of the world. Here, just 50 kilometers off the coast of Abu Dhabi, the locals worship nature. It is considered the most important facet of life. As a way of expressing their adulation, the people of Bu Tinah leave offerings for the trees. These offerings are their way of honoring the life-giving authority of the natural world. A walk through the forest reveals an endless array of donations. A chicken sandwich, a can of tuna, a jazzercise VHS tape, a bag of hair, a loaf of bread, boxing gloves, Vaseline, and a microwave. This tradition of gift-giving was bestowed upon the people of Bu Tinah during the early beginnings of civilization, when it was believed that the sun was a god who provided the heat and light necessary for life to exist. It is one of the only remaining customs of this kind in the modern world. How much longer will this cultural wonder take place in Bu Tinah? One can only speculate.